Welcome to Klondike Solitaire. Playing, not editing this one. Gonna see if I can go for 4 wins in a row. Maybe, maybe not. Alright, gonna play fast and crazy. Gonna take cards off the back. Let's see, that's probably far enough back. This looks like a tougher one, so maybe I don't solve this. Maybe I get smart and figure it out here. So I got one play, I got 2 plays actually there. Or all 3 of them. I can't play all 3 of them at once, so. Gonna play that ace, not yet though. Actually, that could have been the time. Alright, gonna play the ace. And playing that ace should change the card. So the next is gonna be 7 of diamonds. 2 of hearts can be played. Oh, that'll be a nice patch coming through. Sweet. That's good to know. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Gonna play from the back side. Gonna play the ace of spades first. And we will play the other cards later. Uh-oh, that's good. Now I can play any black 9. Again, I'm saving these cards for later as insurance. Though I might want to pull that black 9 at some point, one of the black 9s. Alright, let's see, was it 2? I think it was a 2, right? Okay. I'm going to play the 2, see what goes. Nope. Alright, cycling through again. I might be playing the 7 on this round. Yep, I'm going to play it on this round. And can play the 9, okay. And, oh, nice. That's going to open up a bunch. Ooh, I don't want to pull. I got to be careful. That's the first badge. Don't want to pull too much off there. I'm just going to cycle through and see what it gives me. Yeah, we'll cycle through and give it. That may have been the, well, that might have been the better play there. I'll see. All right, let's see. 6 is the first. Is 6 the first one? Oh, okay, it is. All right. Nothing. I might be able to move the 8. Let's see what we can do here. I'm going to back up. I'm only going to, let's see, what's underneath that? 3. Okay, so I can come back. Normally I would play all of these. There's all these 3 cards in sequence. I could play all 3 of them, but I'm going to wait. Only going to play 1, just so I can get another look at the other cards behind it and see if I can't come up with another move or 2. And it looks like, yeah, we'll be playing all those now. So 3 goes here. 5 goes here. I think I'm going to play the 9 as well. Going to play a bunch of them here. I wanted to try to maximize the number of moves I could make in that sequence. I may still be going back. Oh boy. There's 2 moves there. Actually 3. Yeah, I'm losing track. There's so many moves here. That might be good though. Oh boy. Alright. Here's a little trick here. I move the 4 up and then move that 4 there. And, oh, now I don't have to make a decision. Sweet. There's 2 blackjacks and 2 red queens. Wonderful. Maybe I shouldn't have moved the 3. Well, let's see what we got. And, boy. May have to backtrack here. I think there's no moves there. Yeah, there's no moves. Okay, I'm backtracking. Gotta figure out what went wrong. What's in front of the 2 of diamonds? Let me look here again. There's a 2 of diamonds. Okay, so 1, 2. Okay. Backtracking. And I'm gonna look for the last spot where I took some cards out there. Okay, here we are. Let's see. Let me backtrack and see what else I did. Okay, this is where I made the wholesale changes. Let's just play it slow and see what goes out. Alright, that goes up there. Oh no, I can't. Let's see. Hold on. I'm gonna play that 2 down because that was messing me up. I'm gonna see if I can't come up with something here. And 6, and keep my fingers crossed that opens up. No, it doesn't. Oh boy, interesting, interesting. The black 9 will be on top though, so I can, let's see. I think the 8 will, okay, the 8 will come underneath, but there's nothing to move under the 8. This one's got me thinking. Alright, cycle through again. That may not be good there. Oh, this 9 can go. Oh, that's the move I wanted right there, I think. Oh, no, 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 no. That's not the move I wanted. The move after that is what I wanted. King goes here. Queen goes here. Oh, boy. Maybe I didn't want to move the 2 of diamonds. Those can be problematic sometimes. I think... Yeah. Let's see. 8. There's no 9 there. Now it's going to say good game. And I am going to look at this one more time. So I can't... The diamonds are the ones I don't want to move. And I apparently need to move the piles on the right. So in this situation, I need to be moving this pile right here instead. Let's see. That goes there. Ace goes. And then move that. That goes there. To move the 6 or not move the 6? That was the question. This was the 2 that was holding me up. Let's not move the 6. And then that 2 should be holding me up. Okay. Game plan has changed. I can move the 8. Now, keep my fingers crossed. That card goes. Alright, that's good. If I can get this pile down, it might be solved. Might be. You never know in these ones. I think I got to play here. Ooh. Oh, I see the play. This 5 is going to go up here, and then this 5 goes down. And then that opens that up. And... Alright, now I can play that 2 of diamonds. That's at the very bottom, but it doesn't matter, because I got this one. Okay. Took a little while to figure out, but I got this one solved. I apologize for taking an extra second. But the point is, sometimes you get in situations where you have to backtrack and think it through and look for the extra move. Hopefully it made some sense. Again, this is unedited, one take. Thank you for watching, and good luck.